It's a beautiful morning here in Hawaii, and my orange dragon fruit is making a fair presentation of flowers here. They popped open yesterday evening. Here it's about 8:30 in the morning, and they're starting to close down. We got a few more. I see there's a bud right back there, probably open a couple of days. The plant had bloomed once a bit back earlier in the year, but nothing set. There's more flowers on it this time. I'm hoping this is going to be the time that it finally sets fruit, and so we can have seeds for it. We'll see. I'm still trying to figure out, though, what this plant is. I'm quite certain that it is Selenicereus, but it is not the same as the yellow dragon fruit. The fruit looks quite a bit the same, although smaller. You can see here it's got these long, skinny vines. Right over here is a yellow dragon fruit, and you can see how the vines on it are much heavier. It's a thicker, heavier plant. Nor is it as dark green either. Now this post happens to have both the yellow and the orange growing on the same post, so they're kind of mixed there, but you can see those long, skinny vines that this produces. Yeah, the yellow is a really fast cactus to fruit. I think it's the fastest of all the dragon fruit. That one's usually termed either Selenicereus megalanthus, or it's sometimes been reclassified as Hylocereus megalanthus. I'm pretty certain that this one is a Selenicereus. The fruits are similar, although orange, but I do not know the proper species. Being grown around the island, I've seen it at the natural food store, the fruit from this plant. I found these at the Hilo Farmers Market originally. It's definitely a different plant from the yellow, but I'm not sure which one. I've tried to research this, and I have not come up with this plant. So if there's anybody out there that knows what this long, skinny growing, orange-colored fruited dragon fruit is, let me know. I'm sure we got somebody out there that knows what the heck this thing is. Aloha.